The amusement park is a high-tech playground for new entertainment experiences. In collaboration with Alton Towers, Thorpe Park, Pixolve and GS Engineering, we have explored how new kinds of digital economy service can enhance the experience of a day in the park. The first strand of the project explored the future of souvenirs. We began with an ethnographic study of families and friends documenting a day out at Alton Towers. Our study revealed the existence of a complex photo ecology comprising on-ride camera systems alongside visitors' own personal cameras and mobile phones. We showed how visitors struggle to integrate the two. We also documented tensions between the need to tell individual stories of rites of passage while wanting to share digital photographs and playfully tease one another. In response, we prototyped a new service called Automics for the collaborative creation of photo stories. Each automic tells the story of an individual's ride using before, during and after images. These are then mixed with branded and themed material on a ride-specific template. The visitor chooses the image from a shared pool of all of those that were taken and captioned by their group throughout the day, mixed in with those that were taken by the Pixolve on-ride capture systems. The final automated comic, or automic, is printed and framed as a physical souvenir, though could be posted to Facebook or shared on a mobile phone using a mobile comic reader. The second strand of the project explored the idea of personalised and adaptive rides. The next generation of rides, like the one pictured here, promise fine-grained control over individual seats or pairs of seats. But how can this be achieved? We have explored the idea of using wearable biosensing to enable the ride to monitor and adapt to the rider's physiological response to it. Early work involved using a wearable telemetry system to capture heart rate, galvanic skin response, movements of key facial muscles, acceleration, video and audio data from the riders of extreme thrill rides such as Oblivion at Alton Towers. Analysis of this data suggests that it can be used to profile riders and match them to specific rides or ride programs. However, in order to explore the real-time control of rides, we decided to focus on one particular form of biosensing: breathing. We constructed our own adaptive ride, the Bronchomatic. This is a standard bucking bronco, but enhanced with robotic controllers. The rider wears a chest strap monitor that is used to estimate their rate and volume of breathing, and this partially controls the movements of the ride. A study, based upon interviews and analysis of logs of breathing, revealed how the ride was thrilling, clearly responsive to breathing, and enabled the riders to adopt a range of tactics. A key element of the thrill is the tension of battling for control of the ride, while also battling for control of one's own breathing. We explored this idea further in a second prototype called Breathless. Here, the rider wears a gas mask enhanced with a respiration sensor and Wi-Fi, and this is used to control a large, powered swing. Day in the Park has shown various ways in which Horizon's core concept of the contextual footprint can transform traditional services at the park, which are often rooted in physical experience or physical objects. Thus, while traditional souvenirs tend to be physical objects or photos, Automics points towards a far richer combination of the physical and the digital, and of the park's own systems with visitors' social photo practices and social networking. Similarly, rides that maintain and analyse a contextual footprint of biosensing data might be able to reward repeat visiting with a new experience each time. Finally, the project has delivered a variety of outputs with more in progress. Highlights include 3 full papers at the ACN's flagship CHI 2011 conference, but also public performances, appearances on mainstream television, and also in the national press.